Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to answer calls on the Beats Flex earphones. These will be beginner instructions, so let's get right into the video. So when you look at your Beats Flex earphones, there are these two pieces right here, these two thicker pieces. And when you place them, and when you wear them properly, when you place them around your neck properly, and you wear them, and you wear the earphones properly, I should say, these are gonna be on the sides of your neck, okay? One of them is labeled with an L for the left side, and the other one is labeled with an R for the right side. Now what you're gonna look for is on the left side, on the L1, there's gonna be a little circle button right here. This is actually your multi-function button, your multi-purpose button. It's one button that does many different things, okay? So essentially, you want to make sure a few things are happening, and then you can use this button to answer the calls. So first and foremost, the headphones, the earphones need to be on. Secondly, they need to be connected via Bluetooth to your device that is receiving the phone call. If your earphones are on and they're connected to the device that's receiving via Bluetooth that's receiving the phone call, then all that you have to do to pick up this phone call and answer the phone call is press this multi-purpose, multi-function button right here. I almost said a word that I didn't want to say over there. I almost had a slip of the tongue. But essentially, you just press this button right here, and it picks up the call. And the third thing is, obviously, you need to be receiving a call. So if your headphones are powered on, they're connected via Bluetooth to the device that is receiving the call, and it is indeed receiving a call, you can just press this button once, and it will pick up the call. You can also, once you're on the call, press it another time, separately, and it will end the call. In addition, another cool little trick is if you're on the call, and you want to transfer the call to your phone, to your device from the headphones, you can just press this twice quickly, just like this. Boom, boom, just two quick presses, and that will actually transfer from the headphones to your device, to your phone, your cell phone. It'll transfer the call so you can pick it up on your cell phone. Once you're already on the call, obviously. And that is essentially it. As far as I remember, it might be the case with the double click, with the double tap, that even when the call is incoming, it will work. But I think it's when you're on the call, as far as I remember. I've only done it a handful of times just to test it out before making the video. But that's it. That is how to answer calls on the Beats Flex earphones, beginner instructions. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.